Hello everyone. Welcome to the 14th episode of XM Update. Have you ever seen a stadium undergo a high-tech transformation? Experience innovation at its finest with Xtreme Media's cutting-edge project installation at Mohali Stadium.
We have installed two breathtaking LED displays from our Rigel Plus series. The unparalleled features of these displays include high brightness levels for crystal clear visuals even in broad daylight. With IP65 rating, these screens are built to fight any Indian weather condition.
Despite challenges such as extreme height and windy weather, Xtreme Media's service team remains steadfast, ensuring seamless installation within the stipulated timeline. Xtreme Media stood by its commitment to deliver quality and attention to detail. Its Rigel Plus LED displays have elevated the stadium's visual appeal, making it the best sports venue in town. Elevate your events with Xtreme Media's LED video walls. Contact us to embark on a journey of unforgettable moments. See you in the next episode.